Okay guys, and welcome to today's unboxing, and yeah, came second class. I actually think it's for a giveaway for mine. Just to open this. And yes, it is. See this? It is a brand spanking new Rat scooter band, and it's in a yellow colour. And yeah, that rocks, totally rocks. It's a yellow colour. That totally awesome, Rat. So this is one of the new ones, and some people will know how to do this, and it's gonna go simple. But that's the brand new ones, and no one has got these yet. So how lucky am I? It's really awesome. So thanks, Rat. And this is the new Rat scooter band. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe.